up, Shimon! Good! Vishram!
हाँ तो वो ना उनका अमचे नहीं आपो
चेतन है होगा हाँ बस ये थोड़ा पीछे ले
आगे भाई डेविड
Good! Center salute! Salami, go! चले के समान रख आपके निकल गए यार इस्तेमाल This is up, Shimon.
We can move this way.
Sir, come.
साइड साइड
भाई धक्का मत मार
हेलो सर
ब्रो आ रहे हैं ना
क्या बात है
करेक्ट आयुष
Put some soil. Water. That's it. Put water.
सर प्लीज
सर प्लीज
आयुष
मैम हाँ
कालिया
हेलो
Sir.
आइए सर
दिनेश जी फ्रेम लीजिएगा थोड़ा सा
हो गया
उषा जी आप साथ में आइए ना हाँ
Come. Keep moving.
Oh, she can put water, na?
हाँ
Hello.
Chalo guys, come on. Bye. Girish पहले नीचे बैठेंगे
इतना Good evening.
Yeah. Girish, here. Should I call umbrella or something?
And abide by the rules that govern our sports and to conduct ourselves with dignity, honor and integrity for the glory of sport and the honor of our teams and ourselves. Jai Hind!
Honorable Chief Guest Dr. P.T. Usha, respected Director General of Shipping Shri Shyam Jagannathan, CMD SCI Shri Tyagi sir, DIG Sayyed sir, my senior officer from the Directorate General of Shipping, officers from SCI, JNPA, Mumbai Port Authority, faculty of IMU, dignitaries from different maritime institute, dignitaries from maritime fraternity, cadets and dear participants. A very warm welcome to all of you to this historic occasion, the inaugural edition of Maritime Games 2025. It is an absolute privilege to stand before such an august gathering united by spirit of sportsmanship and maritime excellence. This momentous event is taking place under the visionary leadership of our Director General of Shipping, Shri Shyam Jagannathan sir, whose unwavering commitment and foresight has transformed this initiative into reality. For the first time in the history of Directorate General of Shipping, we are witnessing a national level championship dedicated to the maritime fraternity, a testament to our collective pursuit of excellence, teamwork and camaraderie. We are deeply honored to have with us today Dr. P.T. Usha Madam, Member of Parliament, President, Indian Olympic Association, icon of Indian athlete whose inspiring journey continues to beacon of perseverance and determination. Ma'am, your presence today elevate this occasion and your legacy serve as an inspiration for all the participants.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mahir. If I could please request DG Shyam Jagannath ji to say a few words.
What Shri Shyam Jagannathan ji envisaged and conceived a couple of months back, and I'm happy to be a part of that thought today that we're seeing it into reality. To all the dignitaries on the dais, thank you very much for all your support. It was a real pleasure to see you all here, and we look forward for your support as we move on from this day. The Maritime Games, what we are planning to do is the first time it's a pilot project. There will be glitches, but we're here to overcome them. Life is never smooth, and an event of this magnitude being carried out, everybody is trying their best. We are getting support.
Sir.
Games is all about togetherness, getting inclusiveness from all verticals of shipping. It's not only a few sections. We are talking about all the verticals from all over India. It will pick up momentum. Like we said earlier, there have been over 87 or 86 companies who have taken part, over 1,800 participants to be exact, and 14 disciplines over 12 days from tomorrow morning. Thank you.
Sir, could you elaborate a little more on what sir just said and how was it today?
मैरिटाइम नेशनल गेम्स मैरिटाइम डोमेन के लिए एक परिवार एकाग्र होके स्पोर्ट्स के थ्रू, इस इवेंट्स के थ्रू एक कमराडरी, स्पोर्ट्समैन स्पिरिट को बढ़ावा देना चाहती है। आप सब जानते हैं कि भारत में जो सागरी इंटरेस्ट है, द मैरिटाइम इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, बिकॉज फॉर द इंडियन इकोनॉमी 90% by volume and 70% by value of all the export and import of commodities which power the growth of Indian economy are on maritime routes. Ships पे जो हमारे ऑफिसर्स हैं, अदर रैंक्स हैं, ऑन शोर हमारे कंपनीज, इंडिया आज एक मेजर क्रूइंग डेस्टिनेशन है। 12.5% of the global seafaring pool is coming from India, and we are increasing this to 20%. It is a celebration of what the Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Union Cabinet Minister, Shri Sarbananda Sonowal ji, have envisioned in the Maritime India Vision 2030 and the Amrit Kal Vision 2047. ये maritime games, maritime sport endeavors से bonding होगी, मर्चेंट नेवी के लिए दी पब्लिसिटी वुड बी देयर, यंग जो हमारे सिटीजन्स हैं who want to join and become a part of this maritime family, उनको आकर्षित करने के लिए, और हमारे existing family members के लिए a celebration, a festival to come together, to participate, to compete and to bring together that family bonding. This is the spirit of the Maritime National Games. इसको हम हर 2 साल करेंगे नेशनली, एंड प्रयास ये है कि 4 क्षेत्रीय गेम्स होंगे, नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, वेस्ट एंड साउथ, एंड 1 स्पेशल एडिशन फॉर द नॉर्थ ईस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री.
How are you feeling being here today and launching one of the most beautiful projects ever, and give us some moments of sportsmanship?
Actually, I am here because I felt that it's a very good initiative from Jagannath ji, and the sports is the one you can unite people together, and to make the maritime games important to everybody, and to meet the players and to encourage the players, to motivate the players. I am here, so it's a very good initiative.
So how are you feeling today? You were the one who took over the whole proceedings and made this day happen.
Actually, it is under the leadership of DG sir only. He, among his many projects, this one Maritime Games was since last 5-6 months. We started somehow, we thought of how to go about it, how to arrange Maritime Games. And it's not only we want to keep it to one vertical, we want to include the entire maritime industry. With lot of initially hiccups, then we finally said, he given direction, no, you go ahead, let us start as a pilot. Then we somehow formed a core group. Then core group has, then core group has really put in lot of efforts, and then that's how we have gone ahead. And I was initially a bit skeptical about the fundings and all, but then there is always support of DG sir, that he himself is taking review, and he himself is finding out that no, you will get funds which is required to to organize this the entire maritime game in a very, very grand manner and fashion, so that we can prepare a project in such a way that we can organize these games biennial, regularly on a larger scale, including different zones. So that is what our objective is. Again, under his leadership, we will be taking it further, and then definitely we will try to bring in people from different zone, and we will identify now which will be the next venue, with what kind of what will be the scope of the next maritime games, when we will be proposing maybe 2027 or whenever. So this is how we have started, and I'm personally hopeful that we will take it a long way.
Kiranji, how did it feel to organize the event in such a small time?
Yeah, we are very nervous and because we had to, in such a short span of time, such humongous job which is being given to us. So I hope I can deliver the way he had envisaged, the way he had dreamt of, the way his aspirations are. And the whole team is working relentless. And we have got entire team of this from the sports management fraternity. They all are very well qualified, and I'm very sure we can deliver it.
I wanted to know from PT Usha ji, please give us some lines for people who are participating in it, some lessons on sportsmanship, a message for them.
Participation itself is a very important thing, They should try their best, that's all. Whether it is winning or not that question. But I'm happy to see all of them. I think it's 10 days, I think it is a 10 days one, no? They will enjoy it. And it's a very good initiative. That is why I'm here.
Sir, any last word from you, sir?
So I have to just say that